Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of a Python course for beginners. So today we create our first program in Python. So first of all I have created a folder and open VS Code in this folder. Just right click and open with code. And it will open VS Code in that folder. Now you can create any file from here by clicking on this new file. So first of all I will create a new file and I click here and write any name, code 1.py. .py is the extension of Python programs. When you are creating a Python program, you have to write .python extension. So when you write .py and it will become a Python file. So this is a file where you can write a code and run. As I told you in the last video, Python is very simple and its syntax is very easy and simple to write. We don't need to write main method, main function or any classes to run any code. We have to just write any statement, any code, and it will be run. So we don't need to write any function or classes. So to create a first program, I will write a function that is print and braces. So this is a print function. It is used to print or give the output on the screen. So and in double quotes I will write hello world. So this is the first line of our code, and I have write print and braces, and in the braces I have write hello world in quotes because this is our string and we want to print this string on the screen. So we will write this in double quotes, otherwise it will give an error. So we can't write any string without double quotes. So when I run this code, it will print hello world on the screen. So you can run this code by clicking here, run Python file. So this is the output of our code, and this is all because I am using a Git bash. So just leave it, and this is the output of our code. So if I remove this hello, this is dear programmer. So you can write any line, any text in the double quotes, in between double quotes, and it will be print on the screen. So I will run it again. So this is the output hello, this is dear programmer. So this is our first program, and it is very easy to write. We don't need to write any main function, main method or any classes. It is very easy to write. Just you have to write any statements. So I write a print function, and it's working fine. And let me show you another way of running our program. So open your CMD command prompt. So if you write Python, so it is an interpreter, or you can call this any editor. You can write any lines or statements of Python, and it will give output. So I will write print hello world. And if I enter, so this is the output of that line. So this is a very fast and easy when you are writing some few lines of code just to check it. But when you are writing big large code, then you have to use a VS Code. And exit function is used to exit this interpreter. So you can also run this code that I have write in VS Code. This one you can run this code by CMD. So first of all you have to go to that directory, desktop. So let me copy this one. So now I am in this directory, so I can run this one file. So to run this file you have to write just Python and its file name code1.py. So this is the output of our code that we write here. So these are the other ways you can run Python codes, and you can also write VS codes in the VS Code. It is easy to maintain. So let me show you another functionality of VS Code, that is autosave. So this is autosave. You may have this off, but I have already on this, and click after delay, and this is the timer. So when you write any code, it automatically save for you, so you don't need to save that one. So that's why it is easy to use. So that's all for today. We will learn more about Python in the upcoming videos, next videos.